Is your small engine struggling to run smoothly? Often, the culprit is a worn-out carburetor component. Choosing the right replacement part makes all the difference between constant headaches and steady, reliable performance. The genuine Kawasaki FJ180V Carburetor part is designed to restore proper fuel delivery, helping your engine run just like it did fresh from the factory. This carburetor part isn't a one-size-fits-all fix. It's engineered specifically for FJ180V carburetor setups and fits select M and S series Kawasaki engines. Every detail, from the dimensions to the materials used, meets Kawasaki's exacting standards. That means you get a perfect fit and dependable function without any guesswork. Installation is straightforward, with no assembly needed, making it ideal whether you're a professional technician or a confident DIYer eager to get your equipment back in action fast. Why settle for generic parts when premium engines demand premium components? Kawasaki's genuine parts go through tighter design and production controls to ensure stable engine operation and improved reliability. Using an original replacement reduces the risk of poor fit or low-quality materials that can shorten your engine's lifespan or cause performance issues. The part itself is compact and easy to handle, measuring about 1.27 centimeters on each side. Many users praise how simple it is to swap out the old, deteriorated component for this genuine replacement. Even small carburetor parts can cause big problems, and installing the right part quickly solves them. Fast, successful installs mean less downtime and more time powering through your tasks. Investing in genuine Kawasaki parts isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about protecting the long-term health of your engine. You get peace of mind knowing your component was built to work seamlessly with your equipment, backed by decades of Kawasaki's engineering expertise. If that's you, check the product link below to confirm compatibility and availability. Worth a look if you want trusted parts that keep your engine running strong and dependable. Try it when you're ready.